So this is our post. So look at post, you see all posts. You want to see all the posts. Let me go to post. So we only have only one post. But I don't need these things. Hello world. Just that this post I say that page we see earlier on. This one you see earlier on. That is what we have as the post. So I click on. So I don't want the post. If I click on this side now, I want to remove it. Click on this side there. We have bulk. I want to move it to trash. I need a clean page to do my job. So I click on apply. So it will move to trash. So I have empty. So if I reload this my page here now, F5. F5 is a reload. Okay, that's post. So let me go to the next one. Page. All page. So I don't want any of these pages. Click on this side. Click, move to trash. I want to go to trash. Apply. So I now have an empty. Click on refresh here. So to remove all those pages, they are no longer there anymore. So we have comments. There's no comments. We have appearance. We have Python. We'll come back to this one. So we have plugins. There's no plugin. We have users. So I'm the only user here. So I can create, and I'm the administrator. So you can create users. Maybe you have one employee people to be managing the WordPress for you too. We'll talk about that as we move on. So profile, you can set up your profile. So first we have tagline. So tagline can be what you stand for, what your business stands for. So we have a So the next is my URL. You can see that my URL does not have X there. Why not HTTP? Hypertext transfer protocol. So secure. To put this secure, put X. Because inside is not showing secure, David. So apply X here. So apply X for both your WP. Those of you that are not, that your laptop has fault, you're supposed to have a notepad or on your phone. Then write the steps. If you know they do them, then be writing so that tomorrow you can remember. So my email is the membership subscription. So we have a default date. So our default date will become that July 10, 2014. So this is a default time. So our weekday starts on Monday. So once you are done, do not save here. Go to your local, click on trust. You can see trust WP SSL. SSL means your site lock, security site lock, wptraining.com. So click on trust. Once you click on the trust, it will ask you whether to make changes. Click on yes. Who knows about it? You see? And you go to local. Once you click on local, you don't off. I don't know which is the on problem. You don't match anything, something be off. I don't mind that. Yes, I don't know why it's picking. I don't want to stay this side. One way, go stand with that place. Don't come disturb me. Look at that. Thank you. You go again. It's very the lesson. Push also. Very good lesson. I don't connect that. Put that back. It will show you trusted. That means it has been connected. Take it. So just put that aside. Go to your WP local. Click on just first of all follow this one. Go to the local first. Do you know how to come to this side? Do you know how to come to this side? Open your local now. More okay, come on, they show black. Black say black is one for now on. Yes. Preferred. That means the same white screen like here, guys. So that today easy to understand. Click on trusted.
Trust or trusted? Okay,
Trust. You want to show trust. Click on. You want to show trusted. That means it has been connected. To show you the listing. Oh yeah, you ask you for permission. Say yes. You don't say trusted. So once you don't say trusted like that, you let's see to go to your browser. Yes, continue with. Go to your browser. Go back to your browser where you open this one. You don't open this one down before, have you? What's it called now? Our starter site. So any type of business you want to, any type of site you want to design. So I'm into photography. Somebody made sure, so I'm into photography. So we approach someone and say, why not put your this thing online so that people can know about the photography job? They give you the job to do. Okay, I don't have to think plenty. Just import this one and start doing it. You approach someone that's into restaurant business. The person says restaurant, you have checked the food is good. You want them to go global. You tell them about website, preach the gospel of websites. Like this guy pissing up his soul. But the guy has somebody saying. So somebody's into wood log. I think there's one market that are selling wood, have you? Yes. Wood log, and you can also design for them. So you don't have to think about what I know. So people are into renovation of site. There are some people that are experts. And this building they so if you can't give them, if you don't say they look for this building for outside, fear will catch you to enter the building. I mean, I'm not observer. You go say, it's not go for my head. Don't go for that. If you fail to clap, who myself I did there, sometimes I fail. If I come and look and say, God, let me see. Because you don't put that into it. So, renovation. So, they need to call people like this. They are the experts in renovating buildings. If they touch this house, you don't go green say that this house is. So I don't know how to call this one, so I don't pronounce that. Catering, you have a lot of friends that are in the catering services, Sabi. That you know people they learn catering well. Do cake and they can go online and have a website and they can start having international customers. We have Baba, here they go Baba your head. The guy gets shop for him package Sabi. You can package the guy by having a site. You have business consultants. You can also have site. You have gadgets. You have which other things do you have there? You have home decor. You have people that are interior decorator. I mean, people that are into cleaning services. I think there's a friend I have. His own is half fallen. You want to build site? I just tell him price. He say my money too much. This is our teacher. I want business for customer. This I collect 80,000 naira. I want to build site like this. Yeah, it's the least I collect. The least I collect. Yeah, all that thing we can do. you collect more than that. There's a site I built for one guy at Ikoyi Suya. I'm not that do the site for the guy. Very powerful site. I will show us later. So we have car services, people that are into car rentals, car this and car that. You can create, so there's no limit. Also, I cannot create. You have flora, people that are into beauty, flowers, people that sell flowers. If you go Alagomeji, all those sites, people they sell flower, horticulturists. I think I need the name they call them. You see them. People that are little wardrobe, I can create for them. People that sell wardrobe and pets. We have some people that train dogs, animals. Ma? Have you? I saw one country like that. So we have justice, people that are into law. So once you justice, not about law, barista, all those Ike and K, you people that don't get that plenty. You see Okoke and Okoye. And sons. I heard. God bless you. Okoke and Okoye and sons. Law firm. Mberibe and sons. If you don't see any abbreviation, K and J and M, those are the people who get us here. So weddings, if I want to wed, it's a big business. I don't know. It's one of my don't want to wed that I know that renting of wedding gown is a big business. Only that if you go those Ikeja that place in Guari or Kota Ikeja, that's their business. They get different types of wedding gown. I can create a website for them. I can look for those people and create a website. I think some of them have websites too. I think where I started, they have website. Web agency, you can become an agent. Once you are learning now, you can create a website for yourself and become a web agency. You can someone that approach you, they send you also tell you that they are web agency, they create a website for this and that and that. You can start doing that. I think that's the essence of this whole class. Personal. For your own personnel, you want to talk about personnel, you can create for yourself. We call it portfolio. You can talk about yourself or your lineage. Some of us, our lineage they die as it kind of go because the story is complete again. We don't know where we come from. Some people don't even know. They don't say we come from Ejiato North. That's all. You don't know the village. You know how I'm going to go there. Okay. Now, the moment I'm about nervous, I get a plenty as friends. So we have yoga. We have some people practicing yoga in Nigeria. Not only go meditation. They call that yoga. We have only. So this is also how someone buy shares like this one now. You meet friends where they sell shares, all those things, laptop and the rest. I also have a store too. We have testing. We have businesses. If you want to do for business, product review. If you are doing, some people are special. If you go to, I think Instagram, you see some guys. They say this phone, iPhone. They talk about the phone. They talk about the phone. Talk about the features. This laptop. They talk about the. I bet about jam something like that. They call them product review. And it's a big business now. You can create a blog for that. Talk about the product. There's the money side to that. You can become an affiliate, and the company can pay you direct. Once you now become a big brand, and when you want to launch that product, once you have a lot of followers. Who following, you know, all of us want to buy things, we want to know that what you are buying. You can, it's also a blog, but according to product review, it's now a niche that is making a big time wave in the industry. Even a house too. It's not really tech, but a review house. You can review pets, talk about dog, talk about it, and just things like that. So charity, if you want to, if you have a lot of NGO in Ajegule now, have you? NGO plenty, so you can build sites for them, So just download charity and customize it. We have travel, we have apps. We have friends that are into app making, but they don't know how to set the app. You know, some people don't learn how to build app, and then they're frustrated. Before you know, they go join Yahoo. I think the cost of that. You can start asking them to do promoting their app. Okay, last but not the least. So we have modern shop, like if you want to do shop, we'll learn how to do all those things. Blog list, this is a blog, like for example, the newspaper, The Nation Nigeria, The Sun. You want to create something like that, you can go with this. So let us import one. I will import agency. Which one should do is? Which one should do is? Which of the? Okay. Huh? Blosky is the team here now. We are in Blosky already now. Blosky is the team. This is Blosky, for example. Blosky is an architecture company. We approach and want to build a website. Now they are not showing us all the old templates they have, all the old houses that they have built for people, all the old types. So you now go choose. For example, I buy a land, which is my hosting. I give my business name and they go. I want to build computer school. You know, if I want computer school, the structure is different from when they build residential. The structure is different from when they build hotel. The structure is different when they build church or when they build mosques. Also, if you are building church and mosque, use charity. They are all NGOs. That's fine. So which one should you use? Photo. Nice photo. Okay, no, we cannot do app. We don't have app to put. Gadgets. Where gadgets?
There's one I downloaded about all this newspaper and stuff.
Okay. So gadgets. So it will show you like once you click on this side, click on Elementor. So click on import, sorry. Yes. So do not click on this one, Did I click that Elementor? So we'll talk about Elementor in our next class. Let's just Now I'm supposed to show me the click. I want to check. Okay, let's continue. So I click on next. So these are the things we'll be importing. WooCommerce, WP form, stack. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I check on Elementor. That's what I'm supposed to show us. Yes, that's yes, yes. Look at Elementor. Okay. One I'll come back. Okay. So please, don't now go. Make sure that it's clicking on Elementor. It's either you're using Elementor or you're using the God's bug. But we don't want to use this one.
Can you install without it?
No. Do not click on it though. Just leave it like just leave it like that. Just click on next. Elementor. So next. So to now show you. So because we are using the WooCommerce team, so to show you my Elementor and WP form. Click on next. After now we'll go for break so that man can shout. So click on install. So you click on install. So we are now installing the themes. So we have what we want to build with. So we are now installing it now. Okay. So while installing, let's to finish. Okay. Okay. So once it has installed, you will ask to view the site. So just click on view sites. So we'll stop here for now. We'll have some break.